Ndewonu ndị ọma ndị nke mụ, kedu ka unu mere? You are welcome to another lesson time with Nwada Chimdimma. So remember, in our last class, we treated the Igbo language alphabet, mkpụrụ edemede Igbo, otherwise known as Abidi Igbo language. And we have 36 letters in the Igbo language. Yeah, iri atọ na isii. Mkpụrụ edemede Abidi Igbo dị iri atọ na isii. The letters are 36. And in our last class, we treated the 36 letters. And in this class, I am going to be giving you the words related to these 36 letters. Examples of words related to these 30. There are a lot of them, but I'm just going to be giving you one for today. You may not be able to exhaust the 36 letters in this session, but trust me, we are going to do the best we can, the more we can in this class. So to begin, we start with the letter A. A, remember, A. A, B, Sh, D, Dirigabazia. A. And the word that starts with A, amongst the many words that starts with A, is Akpa. Akpa. Can you say it with me? Akpa. Again, Akpa, which means bag in English. Bag in English. Akpa, bag. The next letter is B. 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 And we have the word banye, 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 which means enter in English. Enter in English. Banye, enter in English. And we have the word sh, sh, sh. And for the word sh, we have Chineke. Chineke. Chineke mo. I know a lot of us do that. Chineke mo, or Chukwu. Chukwu. And that means in English, God. Chineke. God. Chukwu. Still God. The next letter we have D. 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 And for that letter we have De, which means in English right. De, which means in English right. De, ana m ede ihe. Ifeoma na-ede ihe. Right. De ihe. Write something. De means right in Igbo language. And we have the next letter, E. 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 Echefula. Echefula. Again, echefula, which means don't forget. Echefula. Don't forget. Another word for is efere. Efere, which means plate. I hope you are making these attempts with me. Efere. Echefula. Don't forget. Efere, plate. Correct. The next letter we have is F. 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 And we have ficha. Ficha, to clean. Ficha, clean. Ficha, ficha eba. Clean this place. Ficha, clean. Or we have felie. Eba ahụ feliri n'elu. Felie, to fly up. Fly up, felie. The next word we have is G. 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 And the word for G is Ga. Ga. Very simple. Ga. Watch I hope you are observing the tone as well. Observing, not ga. Ga, ga, it is low. Ga, it is low. Not ga, it's ga, low. The ga in English means go. Go. Ga or gawa. Gawa means go. Ga, gawa, go. The next letter we are going to be looking at is r. R. Roro. Roro, which means pluck. 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 Roro. Let me say it slowly. Ro. 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 Pluck. The next letter we are going to be looking at is wo. 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 And the word for wo is wa. Wa. Wa or wam. Wa or wam. Wam. Aha gị. Wa. Nkechi. Wa. Tell. Wa. Tell. Wa means tell in Igbo. In English, sorry. Wam means tell me with an M. Guam with an M means tell me. Gua means tell. Just tell. The next letter we have is I. I. Iko. The word is Iko. Iko mmiri. Iko in English is cup. Cup. Iko. Cup. Iko mmiri. Cup of water. Iko mmanya. Cup of drink or wine, any kind of drink. Iko. And the next letter we have is I. 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 And for that word we have Ipa. Ipa, which means forest. Ipa, forest. Another word we have for I is Ichafu. Ichafu, which means scarf. Scarf. Ichafu, isi, scarf. Head tie, whichever one you call it, scarf. And the next letter we have is J. 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 And that is G. G. Can you say it? G. G. Or G is, I know you know that word. It's very common. It's very common because a lot of us have come across that word and you have interacted with that word one or two ways. Many times. G in Igbo, in English rather, is yam. I know you know. Yam. A lot of us eat yam, so of course you should know, that's the commonest you should know. Among the many common you should know. G. G. Yam. And the next word for J is Jua. 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 Ask. Ask. Juam. Juam. Ask me. Jua. Ask. Just ask. Jua. Chineke. Remember the letter Ch for Chineke. Jua Chineke. So, when you practice, when you are very attentive, you'll be able to join the words together and make very simple sentences. So, this is where we are going to be ending this particular section. And we are going to continue. I don't want to make the video so long so that we can be able to pick as much as we can and in segments. So I'm going to end this video here. Remember, to learn better you have to practice, practice, practice and practice. So rewind this video, go back, try to make conjure sentences. Look at the one I just did now. Jua Chineke, ask God. It's the same words that we have come across in this particular video. Just very simple. And when you try, you will see results. And if you have any questions, drop it on the comment section for me. I will sure answer your questions. No matter what it is, I'll answer your questions. I will treat it in the next class. I will ensure, remember, I am here to ensure that your Igbo language learning journey is very seamless and easy and fun and engaging. That is why I'm here. So ensure that you go back, rewind this, practice, practice, and practice. No matter how much I say it, the best way to learn and to get better is by practice. If you don't practice, you will not learn anything. So practice. I'll see you in our next class. Remember, Igbo amaka. Ngwanu ka emesịanụ. Oh God.